So I hope you're doing good. Rider weight, 194.4. What I got going on today is I got this brushless, oh man, what is this? This is a M18 utensil. It's the backpack. So we'll talk about it in a minute, but I wanted to get the weight of this thing. My first synopsis on it. It feels a little heavy for what it is, but I mean, it'll be fine. But right now we have a fully charged 8.0 hour M18 battery in it, and so my work got this, so I just stole it to do a review real quick on it, check it out. So we'll play with it, see how it is, and go through it and stuff in a minute here. I just wanted to get my weight with it. So it's 214.8 pounds. So I have to weigh 194. It's almost 20 pounds is what that weighs for what it is and stuff. So yeah, all right, I'll see you in a second here. Let me get situated. So looks like you pop it off here. I emptied it at work. Like I said, it's been used, so there is actually a little bit of stuff in there. I didn't blow it out or anything like that. I got to figure out how to take it all apart that way, but you definitely could take this off, and then I can go like this, figure this out. It's got oh yeah, look how, I should clean out. Look how bad that is. So we clean up MCCs with it, and I just dirtied my bedroom, which sucks. So this is pretty damn dirty from cleaning MCCs. So this is a real test here, after a use test, to see if we can still suck up stuff. I don't know if we can or not. All I know is that I should have cleaned it out better before I did this. Ugh, dusty as hell in my bedroom. So now I really have to clean up. But yeah. So it comes apart pretty simple. Goes back in nicely. Get that out of here for a minute, just because I'm going to play around with it. Attachments come on and off all right, no problem. It looks like it's got a little hook, so when you're doing your thing, you could hook it to your pants or whatever you got to do, or somewhere up on the clip, you know, when we got it on our back. And then what I was reading on it, because I didn't really know anything about it other than we got it, is, yeah, we'll just talk about it still first before I do it. So it has a attachment right here. If you got one of the other Milwaukee tools, the sander, you're doing some sanding work at home or in your shop, you could attach this to it, and then it'll, you could have like a dust collection system. So that was pretty nice. That's pretty cool. And then, what the heck here? I see also. It's got a nice little, like close quarters, and then we got the floor vacuum. If you look at the floor vacuum piece here, let me get it off. It's got rollers, so it could roll on the ground a little bit, but over time, they might get messed up or whatever on there and stuff like that. So, you know, just different options that you have, all with it. And so, the one recommendation that my buddy said already, that because he used it, obviously, is that the batteries decide to go fast. So it looks like there's a 2-speed on it, and there's an 8, whatever I said. So if you were to buy this, make sure you get a big high amp power. So this is the 8. I think I got a 6. The battery was fully charged when I left today, so I haven't touched this at all. And then another cool thing that I was reading online on Milwaukee's website is that we could like drape this up, and you could rest it on like a ladder, or if you didn't want to carry it on your backpack, so you could set this up, stage it, and then, or you can carry it as a backpack, put it on your backpack, or you could freaking carry it when you need to. So I don't know how it's set up for us as the backpack, if it'll fit my big butt, but let's go set this here. Hope I don't drop you on it. And we'll see what we got to do real quick here. So I'll put this sucker on. Yeah, I dirtied my floor pretty quick here. So yeah, let me use this up. It almost reminds me of like a SCBA and stuff. So like, you don't don it like that, you know, flip it over your shoulder. But, oops, break it up to buy one. So yeah, again, this is about 20 pounds. So we have to see what, you know, whatever. There you go. I feel pretty comfortable with it. I feel like a swordsman. I should have grabbed that off. Yep, I should have grabbed that off beforehand. Watch a fool work here. So I got my piece here. So then I go, oh, that's sort of nice. Look at that. So I think that, what does this do? Oh, that's sort of cool. They don't have to bend down. I like that. That's sort of nice. And they look like got all quick connects pieces. So then when you're done, you could, I had to take it off my backpack or have somebody, a spotter, get this back in there because there's no my flexibility sucks. So let's give her some heck here. So what do I got? I'm going to use, let's try this first. I want to get the stuff off the floor, which this should have enough suction to get the dust that I just blasted out here. And we'll go from there real quick. So again, it's got 2 speeds. Low. I definitely want high. Everybody knows money. I'm playing slot machine. So I bound them up here a little bit. This is whatever. Let's go ahead and let me switch you off here. I'm gonna put that bottom piece down, see if we can pick it up. But it sounds like I'm playing slot machines here, running through my backpack. So I have $1. You hear money around. So I had quarters, a lot of quarters, a few, 1 nickel and a couple of dimes. And I had one of the new Sacagawea dollars. So I don't know if this will pick it up with this or I need to be on that suction thing. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's, picked up the pennies. And mind you, this is not clean, heavy environment use. So we can't get the quarters. I've got the dime. It feels like I'm freaking at the carnival. Oh man, I got them all there. Look at that. So you know what size money we got here? Dominations. Come on, can we get them? But if you want to do things, you get rolls like you have a portable, what do you call it, normal wand, the vacuum. Bam. Bam, I got them all. Battery's fresh. So, that's good. That worked. At least my floor is not full of dust anymore than I had. One thing I wouldn't do, I wouldn't treat this as a shop vac and switch it up where you're going to get frickin' water, because I think we would lose our tool here. So that's nice. So that just goes like that. I thought I had to push it, but there's not like a cantilever level piece. I just go and do it. So that's good. Let's get this off. You can hear the money going. Yeah. Yeah. Let me go shut this off and we'll go out to the garage. But yeah, for what it is, it definitely sucks. See you in a minute. So yeah, we're back out in the garage. Let's check it out here in my dirty space. I guess I should have done low, but I would never use low. I'll always use high. So that's convenient. It clipped on this little piece there, so it was working. You're getting mad at us? But yeah, if you got to do stuff like you could be tied off on a ladder, if you have to do work on the job, with it and stuff like that. I mean, it's convenient to have a backpack. Yeah, that's all that guys. What happened? But yeah, it freaking sucks. Let me go ahead and we'll take it apart, empty, and I'll blow it out. We'll look what it's like blowing it out and stuff like that real quick. So give me a second. yeah, like I said, this has been dirty. Look at that dust. Well, that wasn't from me. That was because it's a work item. And it still sucked up the money, so that definitely is pretty good, but I would keep, if this was my own tool, just to be clean, and if I use it where I'm at, I'll always clean it when I'm done and stuff like that, you know. But yeah. It definitely will suck good now. Here's the instruction manual on it. This is a Milwaukee. This is the 0885-20. And I'm not sure exactly where we got it from. Home Depot in my area definitely has this. Maybe the Lowe's. But yeah, I mean, it definitely has its place. So let me look at this thing here. I'd say they're about the same weight. Maybe that's probably lighter. Yeah, that's probably a little bit lighter. Maybe a pound. I'm not weighing myself. But then you're corded up. You're freaking tethered, you know, and sometimes tethering sucks. So, yeah.